Have you ever wondered how renewable energy could transform our world and possibly your investment portfolio? Renewable energy, folks, is not just a buzzword, it's the future. It's the key to a sustainable planet, and it's an industry brimming with potential. Imagine a world where electricity comes from clean, inexhaustible sources. A world where we're no longer reliant on fossil fuels, where our energy needs are met without harming our planet. That's the promise of renewable energy. But here's the kicker, it's not a distant dream, it's happening right now, and the change is accelerating. In the past decade, we've seen wind and solar power become increasingly competitive, even outpacing traditional energy sources in certain markets. It's a revolution in the energy sector, and it's creating opportunities for those who are ready to seize them. Now let's talk about NextEra Energy. This isn't just any energy company, this is a company that's leading the charge in renewable energy. NextEra Energy is one of the world's largest producers of wind and solar power. It's at the forefront of the transition to a cleaner, more sustainable energy future. And it's showing the world that renewable energy isn't just good for the planet, it's good for business too. The company's commitment to renewable energy isn't just about doing the right thing, it's about seeing the bigger picture, recognizing the potential of this burgeoning industry and taking bold steps to harness it. And it's paying off. NextEra Energy is not only making a significant impact on the environment, but it's also delivering impressive results to its investors. In a world where sustainability is becoming more important than ever, companies like NextEra Energy are proving that going green can also mean going for growth. It's a win-win situation, a win for our planet, and a win for savvy investors who recognize the potential of renewable energy. NextEra Energy is not just a company, it's a beacon of hope in a world striving for sustainability. So if you're ready to be a part of the renewable energy revolution, it's time to take a closer look at NextEra Energy. But what exactly is NextEra Energy, and why should you care about it? Well, NextEra Energy is not just any energy company. It is a leading clean energy company headquartered in sunny Florida, with a mission that goes beyond powering homes and businesses. NextEra Energy is about providing sustainable energy solutions for a brighter future. With a significant footprint across North America, NextEra Energy has been at the forefront of the energy industry's transformation. It has a broad portfolio that includes a range of energy sources, from traditional ones like natural gas to renewables such as wind, solar, and nuclear energy. NextEra Energy is a pioneer in the renewable energy sector, being one of the largest producers of wind and solar energy worldwide. The company is committed to reducing carbon emissions and creating a sustainable energy future. It's not just about meeting the present energy demands. NextEra Energy is about shaping the future of energy. The company's operations span across three main sectors. First, there's NextEra Energy Resources, which focuses on clean energy generation and investments in renewables. Then there's Florida Power and Light Company, a rate-regulated electric utility serving more than 5 million customer accounts in Florida. And finally, there's Gulf Power Company, another rate-regulated electric utility serving customers in 8 counties throughout Northwest Florida. NextEra Energy's dedication to renewable energy and sustainability is not just talk. The company has been consistently recognized for its efforts. It has been named one of the world's most ethical companies by Ethisphere for 12 times, reflecting its commitment to integrity and ethical business practices. NextEra Energy believes in a future where clean, renewable energy powers our world, and it's working tirelessly to make this vision a reality. The company is not just investing in renewable energy, it's investing in a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable future. With its eyes set on a sustainable future, NextEra Energy is a company that's worth your attention. NextEra Energy didn't become a leader in the renewable energy industry overnight. The story of NextEra Energy is one of growth, resilience, and a steadfast commitment to clean energy. It all began in the late 70s when the company was a small regional utility known as Florida Power and Light. At a time when renewable energy was far from mainstream, the company was already envisioning a future where clean energy was not just an option but the norm. The 80s and 90s brought significant challenges. The energy industry was evolving rapidly, and the company faced stiff competition. Additionally, the public was skeptical about the viability of renewable energy. But rather than being dissuaded, NextEra Energy saw these challenges as opportunities for innovation. They invested heavily in research and development, focusing on wind and solar energy. As we entered the new millennium, NextEra Energy was ready to make a big splash. In 2001, the company launched its subsidiary, NextEra Energy Resources. This marked a strategic shift in the company's focus towards renewable energy. The gamble paid off, and the company has since emerged as a giant in the renewable energy sector. Through the years, NextEra Energy has faced its share of trials and tribulations. There have been economic downturns, regulatory hurdles, and technological barriers, but the company has remained undeterred. It has not only survived but thrived, transforming challenges into stepping stones. Today it stands as the world's largest producer of wind and solar energy. The company's growth story is not just about its financial success, but also its impact on the environment and society. NextEra Energy's commitment to renewable energy has contributed to a significant reduction in carbon emissions, helping combat climate change. It has also created jobs, stimulated local economies, and promoted sustainable development. The journey of NextEra Energy is a testament to its resilience and dedication to renewable energy. This is a company that started as a small regional utility and grew to become a global leader in renewable energy. The story of NextEra Energy is a story of vision, innovation, and tenacity. It's a story that inspires us to believe in the power of renewable energy and the potential for a cleaner, greener future. Now, you might be wondering, why should you invest in NextEra Energy? Well, let's dive into it. First off, NextEra Energy has been demonstrating a robust financial performance, showing consistent growth over the years. It's one of the largest electric power companies in North America, with a market capitalization that's nothing short of impressive. This strong financial health provides a sense of security for investors, offering a stable platform for your investments to grow on. Then there's the growth potential. The energy industry is in the midst of a transformation, with renewable energy sources gaining ground. And guess who's right at the forefront of this revolution? You guessed it, NextEra Energy. The company is a leading producer of wind and solar energy, and it's investing heavily in these sectors. This positions NextEra Energy to capitalize on the global shift towards renewable energy, paving the way for significant growth in the future. But it's not just about the money. NextEra Energy is also deeply committed to sustainability. The company is not just producing renewable energy, it's doing so in a way that respects and preserves the environment. It's about creating a sustainable future, not just for us, but for generations to come. By investing in NextEra Energy, you're not just putting your money in a successful company, you're supporting a cause that's bigger than all of us. As an investor, you want to make sure your money is working for you, but you also want to feel good about where your money is going. With NextEra Energy, you get both. You get the financial returns from a company that's been showing consistent growth, and you get the satisfaction of knowing you're supporting a company that's working towards a sustainable future. So, why invest in NextEra Energy? It's simple. It's a solid financial investment with significant growth potential, and it's a chance to be a part of something bigger. Investing in NextEra Energy is not just about financial returns, it's about supporting a sustainable future. So what have we learned about NextEra Energy and renewable energy investments today? Well, we kick things off by shedding light on the immense power of renewable energy. We're living in a time where the world is shifting gears to embrace more sustainable and renewable sources of energy. This not only helps us preserve our environment, but also opens up a plethora of opportunities for investors. Next, we dove into the world of NextEra Energy, a front-runner in the renewable energy sector. We explored how this company has been making waves in the industry with its strong focus on wind and solar power generation. They've made it their mission to redefine the energy landscape, and they're doing it with aplomb. We also traced the remarkable growth story of NextEra Energy. The company has not only witnessed significant expansion in its operations over the years, but has also managed to deliver impressive returns for its shareholders. This shows that NextEra Energy is not just about renewable energy, it's also about robust financial performance and growth. Then we delved into the reasons to invest in NextEra Energy. The company's commitment to renewable energy, its impressive track record of growth, and its potential for future expansion make it an attractive proposition for investors. Add to this the global push towards sustainability, and you have a company that's positioned to ride the wave of the future. In conclusion, investing in renewable energy and in companies like NextEra Energy is not just about potential financial returns. It's also about supporting a greener, more sustainable future. It's about making a difference while also making a profit. In a world striving for sustainability, investing in companies like NextEra Energy could be a wise and ethical move. After all, the future is renewable.